For this lesson, you will need worksheet 127. Please be sure your name is at the top of the paper. Let's practice spelling some sounds. Please be sure to write the letter or letters that make that sound. Number 1, P. Number 2, ng. Number 3, t. Number 4, z. Number 5, n. Number 6, ah. Number 7, w. Number 8, oo. Number 9, o. Number 10, v. Let's practice spelling words. Both of these words will have irregular spellings. Put your finger by number 11. Spell the word new. I knew she was going to be home soon. Put your finger by number 12. Spell the word blue. The wind blew my flowers over. Now for today's lesson. Echo these words and listen for the sound that's the same. Cupful, restful, healthful. What sound do you hear at the ends of these words? Full. What is the same at the end of the word? F-U-L, full. Can I cover up the full and still have a root word? Yes. So what do you think F-U-L, full, is? Right, this is suffix full. Is this a vowel or a consonant suffix? Good job, it's a consonant suffix. Why? Because it begins with a consonant. What do you think suffix full means? Good job, it means full of. For instance, if I have a cup full, it means a cup full of something. If I'm restful, I am full of rest. Or healthful means I'm full of health. What word can I make from the word hope that means full of hope? Good job. I can say hopeful. That means full of hope. What word can I make from the word bag that means the amount it takes to fill a bag? Good job. It would be bagful. How do we code suffixes? Good job. We put a box around suffixes. Remember, the root word should always be related in meaning to the root word with a suffix, or else the letters at the end are not acting as a suffix. Let's finish coding these words. Remember, when I have a suffix, they are this is a syllable all on its own. So if I have more than one syllable, I'm going to have to put an accent mark. And they almost always accent the first syllable. Now let's look at cupful. What's the first obvious coding I see on cupful? Good job. I need a K back on the C. Now this vowel is a short vowel, so I need a breathe. Now I am done with cupful. Let's look at restful. Good job. The E is a short vowel, so I'm going to put a breathe above that. Now I am done with restful. Now let's look at healthful. Look at my digraph, EA. But does it make the long E? No, it makes the short E, and I don't hear that A. Also, I have a digraph, TH. Great job. Let's look at another word. Carefully. Some words will have more than one suffix. All you do is box each suffix and then code the root word. Let's try this. What are the two suffixes in this word? Good job. I see ly, which we have already learned before, as a suffix. Then today we learned full as another suffix. So I've gotten both of those suffixes. Remember, when I have a suffix, I'm also going to have to put an accent mark. Good job. Now we can code the rest of this root word. What do you see that is an obvious coding that I can code first? Good job. The C needs a K back. And the A is a long A, so I'm going to put a macron. And that E is making it have a long A, so I don't hear that E, so I'm going to cross it out. Now we are done coding this word. Go back to your worksheet and point to number 13. Spell the word helpful. Point to number 14. Spell the word hopeful. Point to number 15. Spell the word thankful. Now code the rest of the words on the page and draw a line from the picture to the correct word. On the back, please use the words in the box to help you write sentences about the picture. Please be sure that you fill up all of the lines for your sentences.